I want to be a colour rebel, to be more creative in my work and take my career to the next level.
I'm most excited about getting on stage and showing everyone my passion. It's totally new to me, so just to boost my confidence.
I love ASP because they're a really innovative and forward-thinking company. I've always thought the photography and the imagery is absolutely beautiful, and the fact that it's led by the incredible Tracey Devine Smith is just a privilege to be part of this team and get to work with her.
My favourite product is Colour Your Way. It's amazing. You can use it in all your colours, and being so into balayage, I put it in my bleach and it's just fantastic for that.
What I love about ASP is that I've got to work with a brand that I really believe in. I've worked with it a long time and I've been able to create some amazing colours and some amazing styles alongside all of the colour ranges and the styling products.
What I would like to get from the Colour Rebel journey is a full sense of achievement within myself, to push my boundaries and achieve those boundaries that I pushed, to work with some fantastic stylists from our industry and create some really amazing hair.